What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about Alpine 4 Technologies, and again, we can expect some very positive information, positive news to be coming out, I believe, very shortly. They are continuously working hard at really their diversification of their subsidiaries. I think that there's a lot going on. We're going to be talking specifically in this one about the up-and-coming quarterly revenue report, which is going to be Q2 2021. So if you're interested, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we dive in and really talk about some tremendous growth from this company, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I could not be more excited to provide the information we are about to unleash in this video. And the reason is because this is a company that is pushing ahead. This is a steam engine, a freight train that is going full bore ahead, and they're doing amazing things along the way. Whether it is going out and adding pieces in a subsidiary form, they're trying to make each one really a wrecking crew. It's just absolutely incredible to see what they're doing, and they're going to have their hands in a lot of different things, and they're going to have an impact in a lot of different things. One of the ones that I'm most excited for is going to be obviously their drone sector. I think that they are going to have such a tremendous, they're going to be able to provide a lot of different aspects to a lot of different people. Really, whether it is, a package delivery aspect, or maybe it's surveying and everything that I've talked about numerous times around drones. This is going to be a company that is going to be able to provide a lot. And I think you're going to be able to see them do a lot in-house because they've went out and acquired enough to really make it all happen in-house. That's what's exciting. This video is going to be about what they can expect for Q2 growth, and I think you guys are going to be impressed, and they even hit on a little bit more of what you can expect next even following that. So we're going to jump in, talk a little numbers, and this is exciting, ladies and gentlemen. This is an exciting time for Alpine 4 Holdings, which it's just absolutely incredible. So they expect to report Q2 2021 revenue growth of 54%. Over Q2 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, 54%. Alpine 4 Holdings, ticker symbol ALPP, announced today that it is providing preliminary guidance for its Q2 2021 sales. The company expects to report for the period ending Q2 2021 sales of $14 million, which is revenue growth of approximately 54% over Q2 2020. The company also anticipates that Q3 will grow to over $18 million. Kent B. Wilson. Honestly, Kent Wilson is an amazing CEO. He continuously, is leading the charge, leading the way for this company. But there are so many people that are doing amazing things for this company. Kent had to say, this quarter's success was led by A4 Manufacturing and its subsidiaries Quality Circuit Assembly Inc. and Alternative Labs LLC. Both companies are firing on all cylinders, and further growth is expected for Q3 and Q4 due to the robust demand from their customer base. It is noteworthy that Alternative Labs LLC and Thermodynamics International Inc. were acquired 1 month after the quarter had begun. It is for this reason that 1 month of their revenue will not be reflected in Alpine's Q2. Company-wide gross profit margin is also improving, with only A4 Construction Services lagging at the moment. The subsidiaries that constitute A4 Construction Services continue to face increased material shortages and costs, working against their profit margins. Completely understand. It makes sense. As that really starts to kick back in gear, you're going to see a tremendous improvement. And it even says that right here. It says we expect these margins to continue improving in Q3 and Q4 2021, normalizing in Q1 of 2022. Additionally, Q2 2021 brought increased spending on R&D for A4 Aerospace Inc. and will continue for the near future as we build out our G1, G2, and US-1 airframes and avionic platforms. I think that's incredible, and that really is a sector that is going to have tremendous growth. The continued investments into R&D is driven by our anticipation of sales beginning in Q3 and Q4. I look forward to discussing Q2 further in August after we release our next 10Q. I think, honestly, just from reading this, there truly is a lot we can start to anticipate. There is always that looming NASDAQ uplist that is going to happen eventually, ladies and gentlemen. When that does, this is going to be an incredible moment. But as you guys can see right there, we're starting to see some sales go in place, Q3, Q4, and it's just going to continue to compound. And now we've come to my favorite part of any video, and that is chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and check out ALPP, Alpine Holdings, Inc. So it opened on Friday at $2.79. It got as high as $2.79, and its low is $2.47. Volume 436.9 thousand. Market cap currently is 422.7 million. 52-week high is going to be $9.49, and its 52-week low is 0.034. Average volume 730.5 thousand. It closed on Friday at $2.63. That was down $3.31. This is a 1 month chart, and really what I wanted to indicate is the fact that this is not, in my opinion, this is not a stock trading where it should be. Again, I just went through some revenue numbers. They're showing consistent growth. They're showing consistent revenue growth. They're really continuing to diversify within their subsidiaries. They're bringing in multiple companies, and they really have their hands in a lot of different things. And I think that that's what's significant. I honestly feel that the only reason why we're at where we're at and being driven down the way we are is just due to the fact that this is still trading as a penny stock. This is still trading as an OTC, and unfortunately that tends to be what happens. I think once this gets uplisted to the NASDAQ, I really think you're going to see a true valuation from a share price, where this thing should be at. And I think obviously the attention that is going to be drawn to this stock once that happens will definitely be there because of everything that they're involved with. I'm excited for the drone aspect. I truly am, and I'm going to continue to say that every time I do a video because I believe in the future of drones. I believe in the package delivery and really everything outside of that they're going to be able to provide. Whether it's surveying, from a police aspect, really kind of from the medical field, delivering pharmaceuticals and all kinds of different things. Really, I mean, if you think about it and imagine it, it can be put into a drone. So I really think that that's going to have such a huge role. And even we're talking the public side. We're not even talking the private side where you're talking about, government entities. You're talking military relations. You're talking all kinds of different things. And Alpine Holdings definitely has their hand in a lot of that. So I'm super excited about this stock and just really looking forward to what they continuously put out as the future goes. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on ALPP. And it'll continue to pour out as the future, like I said, continues to happen. I know that this company is going to show tremendous growth, and I'm just looking forward to that NASDAQ uplist. I do want to remind you I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain, and you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.